and welcome to ET Garage. I want to thank everybody that subscribed so far. If you haven't, go down there and like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. But anyway, today's video is going to be about header coatings. About a year ago, I had these I took the headers off, took them to a place that professionally recoats headers, and they coat other metals and do other coatings and stuff like that, and they even coat cast iron radiators for your house. But today's review is that 1 year later, how they held up. And if you want a really quick answer and don't want to watch the rest of the video, big thumbs down. That's all I got to say. But I'll pop the hood on the Corvette and I'll show you why it's getting that thumbs down. So just hold tight. Okay, hopefully you can see that. You can see all that rust coming through the coating. These were ceramic coated there, and I'm not going to even bother to go underneath the car. It's even worse under there. And originally, these are these headers, which are Hooker headers, came jet hot coated from Hooker, and those lasted a number of years and started to rust. I forgot how many years, but they lasted a hell of a lot longer than a year, and they didn't rust this bad. So I'm very disappointed in this coating. I'll leave a link to where I got them coated at, and I won't go back there again. I just, they were nice people to deal with and everything, and they were here in Pennsylvania, which made it a little more convenient than having to ship them and all that stuff. But I haven't decided what I'm going to do for now. I'm just going to have to let them rust until I decide. Maybe probably the smart thing to do would be to go with a pair of stainless steel headers, which I wish I did in the first place. That being said, I got these headers brand new in an open box, really cheap. As anyone knows, priced headers, they're pretty expensive. So I guess we'll wait and see on that. You can always check back on the channel and see what I do. I might even try, when I originally sent these out to get coated, I originally considered coating them myself with a coating. I'll try and leave a link to the video that I coated the Y pipe that I have down underneath, or the pipes that lead to the from the header collectors to the X pipe rather. That has held up pretty good. That being said, I put that coating over a 304 stainless steel, so that's one of the reasons they're holding up so good. So if you want, leave your opinions what I should do. Pop for another set of headers. Make my own stainless steel headers. That would be a heck of a project. I'm probably better off popping for a good set of quality stainless steel headers. I do have an OBX exhaust. I could probably just get their OBX headers. Those are stainless steel headers. And see how those work out. But I don't know. For now, these are going to be on here for a while because I just don't feel like spending the money. So, who knows? Leave your opinions down in the comment section. Let me know what you think, what you think I should do. And I don't know. Stay tuned to my channel and see what I end up doing. In the meantime, everybody have a great day. And God bless.